Hello everyone, we're upgrading Helena's rotomotor so she'll have more power to lift heavier things.
You'll be stronger than ever, Helena. Hola, chicos. I love your costumes.
You and Helena are heroes to Baby Truck and the Mechanicals. And that's the last bolt. Job complete. What's wrong, Mechs?
Baby Truck is in trouble. You go, Gecko, and I will launch Helena.
On it, Cat. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Hang in there, Baby Truck. We've got you. Nuts and bolts. Tilly's tow line isn't long enough to reach, baby. We need Helena's grabbing arm.
Ready to rescue, Gecko.
Spinning screwdrivers! Helena's grabbing arm is too small to grab onto Baby Truck.
Aye, that is a big problema, Gecko. How will we lift Baby Truck now?
Brilliant, Red! If we attach our electromagnet to Helena's grabbing arm, it can reach and stick to Baby Truck's metal roof.
Perfecto! And with Helena's new rotor motor, she's strong enough to lift Baby Truck to safety.
You got it, Cat! The tool I need is a wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix! We'll remove the magnet from Tilly's winch, then secure it to Helena's grabber arm. Righty-tighty, and done! Go, Cat!
Vámonos, Helena.
Hold on, Baby Truck! Phew, you're safe. It's important to follow your dreams, Baby Truck, but I'm afraid trucks can't fly.
Maybe just for today, Baby Truck can be a helicopter. Como así?
Cat and Helena are my heroes too. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. Today we're having a barbecue. We should wait for our guest before we eat. I wonder where Molly is. What's that, Baby Truck? You want to go and look for Molly? Okay, you can go, but you must promise to look out for each other too. I need to stay here to keep an eye on the barbecue. We don't want the food to burn. Be extra careful in the tunnel. It's dark in there. You must promise to look out for each other too. Grilling gaskets, these look tasty. Ha-ha! Just in time, food's ready. Molly's broken down in the tunnel and it's really dark and she's really upset and help! You did the right thing coming to get me. Well done. Now, let's go and help Molly. Lead the way, Baby Truck. Oh, poor Poor Molly. Nuts and bolts, your battery's flat. Let's get you back in the daylight so we can see what we're doing. To recharge your battery, you'll need some electric power. The tools I need are jump leads. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Jump leads are power-sharing cables to zap energy from one battery to another. Kapow! Try it now. Molly's all fired up again. But now I'm running low on energy. Time to eat some delicious barbecued food. Oh, the food has gone cold. Never mind, I'll fire up the barbecue again. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. Today, we're enjoying some time out in nature. Oh, look at Blue. Oh, wow, the hammock acted like a parachute. I think you should sleep in the tent tonight, Blue. It'll be safer. We're missing a peg for this guy rope. Can you fetch one from the back of Tilly, please, Green? Sounds like Grandma's having a nap. Thanks, Green. Shush, Tilly, or you'll wake. Grandma! Oh, no! This isn't a peg. It's the toe pin to connect the caravan to Tilly. Soggy spark plugs! Now Grandma is floating away! Follow that caravan! Check the map, please, Green. Maybe there's a bridge ahead to help us. What's that? There's a giant waterfall ahead! Nuts and bolts, we have to save Grandma fast! I'll try and stop the caravan using Tilly's tow hook. The hammock! I have an idea! You drive, Green, and get alongside the caravan! Made it. I can use these bolts to attach the hammock to the caravan. The tool I need is a drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Hang on, Grandma! This could get bumpy.
What a lovely restful sleep. Gecky? Many metal ones?
Grandma! Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. Oh dear. Looks like you need a nap, my lad.
I think you're right, Grandma.
I dreamt I was canoeing down River Rapids and then parachuting. Oh, what a beautiful waterfall. I don't remember seeing that when we arrived. Maybe I should canoe down it.
Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. It's a beach day, and we're playing volleyball.
Dale, Gecko.
I got it! I don't got it.
Huh? Yellow! Blue! The tide is coming in fast, so it's time to finish rug pulling now. Hurry, please. Oh, no! Now they're trapped!
We have to save them.
Don't panic, friends! Dandy's here to deal with the danger! Hang on, Mechs! Dandy's got you!
Oh. Rusty wrenches! The owner's ladder isn't long enough to reach them!
Hold tight! I won't leave you! See? I said I got you. Stay calm, mechanicals. We'll get you back to shore. Somehow.
The water's rising fast. We have to pick them up together or someone might get swept away.
Claro, but Helena's winch rope is not strong enough to hold everyone.
Aha! Tilly's tow cable is strong enough, though. We can run it through Helena's winch. Great idea, Tilly.
Perfecto. And we can lift everyone up in this volleyball net también.
Good thinking, Cat. We need to work fast. The tool I need is a... wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix! First, we undo these bolts to remove the cable from Tilly. Then, fit the cable onto Helena's winch and bolt it tight. Ready to rescue! Hold on! We're coming to get you!
Get ready, Mechs! Come on.
Way to go, Cat and Helena!
Phew!
Thank you for your heroism, Dandy and Cat.
I'm glad you're safe, Yellow and Blue. We can replace a bucket, but we can never replace you.
Remember, Mechs, always respect the sea. The tide can creep up on you.
Oh, just like that. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's a rainy day, so we're inside reading about magical, mythical creatures like unicorns. Look! A rainbow, just like in your book. It must have stopped raining. Yes, it is a beautiful rainbow, but I'm afraid we won't see a unicorn too, because they don't actually... Oh, look, it's a unicorn. I can't believe I'm saying this, but follow that unicorn! I didn't know unicorns had wheels. Oh! Ice cream! Wait a second! Wheels? Ice cream? That's not a unicorn, it's Vicky! Something's wrong. Slow down, Vicky! You're going too fast! Soggy screwdrivers! Vicky's brakes won't work because they're clogged up with ice cream! We must help Vicky to stop or she might crash into the sea! Use Tilly's tow hook? Great idea, Red! Let's grab that unicorn! I mean, ice cream truck! Phew, that was close, eh, Vicky? Oh dear, Vicky. Looks like you've had a brush with nature. And those branches have disconnected the pipes from your ice cream machine to the dispenser. But don't worry, we will reattach them for you. The tool I need is a wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix! Bolt the pipes back on tight. And no more sticky situation. Oh, we have something just as magical as a unicorn. Vicky's delicious ice cream. Maybe unicorns do exist after all. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. We're learning about space. And now the Mechs want to turn their flying machine into a rocket ship. You'll need lots of power to get into orbit.
You think you'll get into space in that? Ha! Not before me, you won't. Who wants to see my rocket ship?
Sure, Mr. Weasel.
Ta-da! This rocket ship will take me into space first.
Wow, good luck, Mr. Weasel. But I'd better get back to the Mechs.
Wait! Could you help me blast off, please, Gecko? I just need to work out how to switch it on.
I'll help if I can, but getting into space really isn't so easy.
This lever, what does this do? This one, so many buttons. How does this blasted thing blast off?
Hold that thought, Mr. Weasel. I do need to check on the Mechs. All okay, Mechs? You've got no power for your spaceship? Maybe use green solar panels to power your rocket's battery. You'll need some sunlight, though. To connect the solar panels to the battery, the tool you need is a screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix!
Connect the wires from the solar panel to the battery terminals. Righty-tighty. Well done, Mechs. I'll be back soon.
Ready for launch, Gecko! 3, 2, 1, lift off! Blasted thing won't blast off.
Better luck next time, Mr. Weasel. Are you ready to launch, Mechs? You've been where? Oh, okay. The Mechs have already been to the moon, apparently, Mr. Weasel. Learning about space has really inspired their imaginations.
Ha! Getting into space is impossible! Huh? But how? To understand, but how have you been up there?
Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Vehicle Olympics. There are so many exciting events, like long jump, go Tilly! And gymnastics. And now the 100-meter race is about to begin.
With this new turbo booster, we can't lose, Sly. That gold medal is as good as mine. I mean ours.
On your marks, set.
Wobbling whiskers come back, Sly! You're going the wrong way! Uh-oh.
Well, Mr. Weasel, you won!
And you don't even have any wheels.
Sly's out of control, Gecko, I need help!
Pardon?
I cheated, Gecko. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to win a medal, so I attached a turbo booster to Sly, but now he's out of control. Please.
I need to get close to Sly to turn off that booster. But how? Aha! We'll save Sly with help from Eric, the discus-throwing digger! Make me fly to Sly, please, Eric!
Oh, careful, Gecko.
I've all I need is a screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Left for looser and no more booster.
Oh, Sly, you're okay. Thank you, Gecko.
I hope this has been a lesson for you, Mr. Weasel.
I promise I'll never cheat again. Probably.
And a gold medal to Eric for the longest throw.
They're so shiny.
I would like to present a gold medal to Gecko for saving Sly.
That must have hurt.
Can you save me, please, Gecko?
Ah, sure, Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. We're having a special family photo shoot today.
We need a picture of us all together for the family photo album, don't we, darlings? Oh, look at my little Gecky.
Time for a glow-up, Mechs. We want you to look your best for the photo. In you go.
Oh, my angels! You look fabulous!
You really do. Be careful while your paint dries, or you'll smudge it. There, that's better. Now, places everyone, it's photo time!
Your biggest smiles, please, everyone!
3, 2, 1, say cheese! Spinning screwdrivers, the pipes on the paint machine have burst.
Wowee! It's raining rainbows! We need to turn off that machine, Gecky!
What a mess! And now our photo is ruined. Sorry, Grandma.
It's okay, Gecky. Nothing is ruined, dear. We'll mop up this multicolour mess and you fix the machine.
You're right, Grandma. I just need to reattach the pipes to the paint sprayer. The tool I need is a welding torch. Gecko's garage, time to fix! The heat from this torch melts the metal parts together to create a strong seal, and it's good as new! What a team! You've made the place gleam. But you'll need to be resprayed before we take that photo, Mechs. Nuts and bolts, it's that football again! Look out!
Still got it. Oh.
Oh, our family of colourful characters.
Hold still, dear. You've still got a bit of paint on you.
Grandma.
Let me get closer. Yes, just here.
Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Today we're at the construction site. Green, Red and I are fitting Dylan with new tyres. Oh, careful, Yellow. These tyres are very big and heavy. I think Eric would like to play too. Can he join your game, please? Oh! Ah! Oh! Watch it! Ah! Oh! 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 Look out, Red! Spinning screwdrivers! We have to stop that tyre before it hurts someone! Well spotted, Yellow! It's headed towards Cat's base! I've got to warn her!
Come in, Gecko. Over.
Cat! There's a giant runaway tyre headed your way!
See? The tire is here. Oh no, it's gone again. I'll follow the wheel in Helena. We can try to catch it with a net.
A net! Great idea. Uh-oh.
I meant to catch the tire, not you.
No problem, Cat. It's hard to catch a moving target with a moving net. We need to find another way. That's it, Yellow. We'll bash the tyre into the net like a hockey goal. Look out for the tyre from the air, please, Cat. We have to get back to the construction site. I have a plan to catch that tyre. Eric, you'll be the hockey stick. And Dylan, you'll be the goal. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll attach the net to this frame to create a giant goal. Then bolt it tight to Dylan's bucket. Ha!
Come in, Gecko. The tire is rolling towards the construction site.
Bouncing brake pads. This is it. Ready, Eric? Ready, Dylan? Let's do this. Steady. Steady. Now, Eric! He shoots. He scores!
Koala!
Eric's used to digging holes, but he's just as good at scoring goals. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today we're training to be pilots, and our friend Cat is going to teach us.
Attention, mechanicals. Gecko. Being a pilot is more than just flying. You need to train your body and your mind. Are you ready, chicos?
Aye, aye, Captain Cat.
Vamos, let's do some training exercises together. But remember, it's not a competition. Just give your best effort. Feet. Your turn, chicos.
This ramp sure is slippery. I got you, Blue. Grab the rope.
Si se puede, Blue. You did it.
It's okay, Blue. Keep going.
Great job. Puedes hacerlo, Blue. Our final test is an obstacle course. Ready, set, fuera.
Rusty wrenches! Your ball wheel's broken. Don't worry, Blue. We'll fix you up just like new. What tool do we need? Screwdriver! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We need to replace the ball wheel. So first, let's unscrew the damaged one. Lefty-loosey. Out with the old. In with the new. Now screw it in tight. There. This pilot's ready to fly.
One last touch. I have new goggles and something muy especial para ti, Blue. You passed your pilot training.
What's important is you tried your best. The best that Blue can do. And every time you fell down, you got back up again.
That's the spirit of a true pilot. Hey, Blue, how would you like to be my first mechanical co-pilot?
Well done, Blue! When you give something your best try, you never know how far you'll fly. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic at the lake today. Green and Blue are rowing in their boat. and Red and Yellow are helping Grandma do some fishing. Wow, great cast, Grandma.
Yes, I upgraded the reel on my fishing rod so I can cast it out further than ever. Oh, I caught something. Another boot. Add it to the pile.
Keep trying, Grandma. Be careful, you two, or you'll drop an oar. And there goes the other one. Try pulling the rope to raise the sail. It will catch the wind and get you moving. Jumping jackhammers. Now they're stuck out there. Try to stay calm, you two. We'll find a way to get you back to shore. But how? Oh, Grandma, can you use your fishing rod to hook the Mechs boat and reel them in, please?
I'll certainly try, Gecko. Besides, it would be nice to catch something I actually want for a change.
Spinning screwdrivers! The fishing line isn't long enough!
If only I had a bigger rod.
That's it! Tilly's winch! It's just like your fishing rod, Grandma, only much bigger!
Clever lad. Now, let's get our mini metal ones back to shore.
What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. An adjustment to Tilly's winch motor. We'll give it the power to cast this life ring out to blue and green. Just a little bit more. There, that should do the trick. Let's cast this ring out beside the boat.
Oh, bravo, Tilly dear. I should take you fishing next time.
Hold on tight. OK, let's reel them in, Tilly. Hey, hooray!
Safe at last. And hungry too, I bet. It's picnic time.
Now this is what I call a catch of the day. Grandma's apple pie.
Look, Yellow's caught something. Oh, it's a sail from the boat.
When nothing seems to go your way, stay calm and think. And it will be okay. Goodbye, everyone.